It is National Adoption Awareness Month, and for kids in foster care, being adopted is exciting and life-changing. When someone wants you to be a part of their family, it's described as a feeling like no other. But the sad reality is there are kids here in Alabama aging out of the foster system without ever finding a forever family. It is important to remember that no matter what age we are, we all want to have people to go home to.
I'll just have knowledge.
Takia is smart,
Started K-Tech July 31st.
kind, and full of positivity. You may wonder how she keeps such a big smile when you find out she has been in foster care for 14 years.
Growing up, I always had people wanting to adopt me, but sometimes you'll meet families where they only want one specific child, and I just always wanted to stay with a sibling, so I never wanted to be adopted. So, I mean, now I wish I would have got adopted, but at the time I didn't.
Takia wanting to stay with her siblings was especially hard because she is one of 7.
When you first come into foster care, the first thing they try to do is keep those siblings together, and then just, you know, over time they eventually started to separate us, so the homes just kind of started going different because they don't want 7 children. So
now Takia is 20 years old and moved from her hometown of Auburn to Madison to take part in the K-Tech program at Kids to Love.
Let me see if I can find a pair of safety glasses.
This allows her to get certified in mechatronics. She still keeps in contact with her 2 younger siblings who were adopted at a young age, but after 7 foster homes, Takia has found family in other places like Kids to Love, where she says it just seemed like everything clicked.
The feeling of like, this is perfect, you know, like I automatically felt the love and I just knew this was the place I wanted to be, so.
Takia lives at Davidson Farms with 7 other girls who are without a typical family or home.
We're like sisters, so honestly, whatever you would take from a regular family is what Davidson Farms is.
Right now, just over 6,000 kids are in foster care in Alabama. 1 out of every 3 of those kids is over the age of 14. Takia says people think they can't have a normal family if they adopt a teenager, but she says they can be just as open and loving as a baby. They just need a family to help them get plugged in.
It just takes time to break down those walls. You know, when you've been through trauma, you've been through a lot, it's not going to be something that comes easy, you know.
Takia says there were multiple times she felt that people gave up on her, which happens to teenagers in foster care a lot. But now with 1 year left to get adopted, she says she has found a few families who she knows would love her no matter what.
At this point, as much as love they give me, I don't think I would even need a paper to tell me that they're my family, you know, but it would be great, but, you know, it's nothing that I'm super adamant about.
Whether she is adopted or not, Takia has found a family at Kids to Love, and with the help of K-Tech, she is taking her life into her own hands. She is hoping to study nursing at Calhoun.
When you're around people all the time who are giving into you, you just feel the urge to give back, you know, and you find what you love, and I just love nursing and helping people, so.
And I am sure that she will impact countless people as a nurse. To hear more advice Takia has for families thinking about adopting a teen or to learn more about Kids to Love, just go to our website, rocketcitynow.com.